Hello everyone, welcome back. Guess what? It's lesson 20 today. That's right, this is our final lesson. Well, I'm happy and I'm sad. I'm happy because we've learned so much about math together. But I'm sad because it's our final lesson. So let's concentrate, let's study hard today and make it a great final lesson. You okay? Today's lesson is subtraction application. We've been learning a lot about subtraction. In our last lesson, we learned a little bit about natural numbers. We will learn more about that today. We will learn about how that applies to subtraction. Subtraction application. Here are the 5 sentences I want you to think about during today's lesson. Number 1, let's do one more subtraction problem. Let's do one more subtraction problem. Number 2, can we subtract 5 from 3? Can we subtract 5 from 3? Sentence number 3. Why can't we solve this problem? Why can't we solve this problem? Sentence 4. That's right. There is a rule in natural numbers. That's right. There is a rule in natural numbers. And sentence number 5. We have to subtract 3 from 5, and the answer is 2. We have to subtract 3 from 5, and the answer is 2. Very good. There we have them, the 5 main sentences. Remember, think about those while we study on the chalkboard. Ready to go? Me too. Ready to go. Today our lesson is subtraction application. Subtraction application. Let's do one more subtraction problem. All right? Here we go. One more subtraction problem. I have a question, too. Let me ask you something. Three and 5. There's our minus sign. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5? Can we subtract 5 from 3? Remember I told you with natural numbers, we can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. Right? If we subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, the answer will be less than 0. The answer will be less than 0. 0 will be greater than the answer. So, if the answer is less than 0, then we cannot do this. We cannot solve this problem. Right? Why can't we solve this problem? This is why. There's a rule in natural numbers. There's a rule in natural numbers, so we can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. Do you remember? I told you that the number on top, high up, should be bigger. Below, lower. Big, low. Big, low. So always remember, with natural numbers, the bigger number here, the smaller number here. We can subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, but we cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. Okay? Do you understand? Good. Now, again, the reason is there's a rule in natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Numbers more than 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Natural numbers. Numbers less than 0, well, those are not natural numbers. We will learn more about those later, but not today, not in this lesson. Today, I want you to remember the rule of natural numbers. And here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way. Natural numbers. And with natural numbers, you must subtract a lower number from a higher number. We can't do this, but how about this? Is this okay? 5 minus 3? Which number is higher? The 5 is higher. The 5 is a bigger number. 3 is lower. Bigger, lower. And the answer is 2. We have to subtract 3 from 5, and the answer, the difference, is 2. 2 is a natural number. Very good. Let's look at another example. Okay? Let's take the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 2 minus 8. Which number is bigger? 8 is bigger than 2. We have a problem here. Remember, the bigger number should be on top. The answer will be less than 0. And that's not a natural number. So we can't do this problem. We can do it this way, though. We can move the numbers around. Now, where's the bigger number? The bigger number is on top, where it belongs. 8. 8 minus 2, 8 is bigger than 2, so the answer will be 6. 6 is a natural number. 6 is a good answer. Again, the difference, the answer, the difference must be a natural number. That is the rule of natural numbers. Do you understand? I think you do. You study very hard and you understand very well. Good work, everyone. Did you enjoy today's lesson? I think you did. I know I did. Well, today we studied subtraction application. What was our key point today? We had one very important thing. Yes, with natural numbers, you cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller number. The answer will be less than 0. You must subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, a larger number. 8 minus 2, okay. 2 minus 8, no. The answer is not a natural number. Great, great work. Wow, that was lesson 20, wasn't it? that means that's the final show. That's the final lesson. We're all done. Oh no. Well, what did we learn? We learned a lot of really, really interesting things. Number sense, addition, and subtraction. We learned about numbers. We even learned about natural numbers. We learned some important signs. The plus sign for addition. The minus sign for subtraction. We learned that an addition problem is called a sum. A subtraction problem is called a difference. We also learned the signs for greater than and less than. 5 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 5. And at the very end, we learned that we can't subtract a larger number from a smaller number. We learned that the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, those are the natural numbers. So many things, so much fun, so interesting. I'm very sorry to see our lesson end, but I will be back, and I hope to see you again very soon here at ESP. There'll be more lessons to come, so be sure and join me, and study hard, everyone. Thanks for your great work. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.